Let's learn some words, one by one. Building vocabulary is so much fun. Colors first. Let's name a few: red, green, yellow, and blue. Now some animals, big and small: elephant, rabbit, dog, and all. A cat goes meow, a cow goes moo. What sound does the duck say? Quack, quack too. Fruits are yummy, let's give them a try: apple, banana, mango, oh my. Vegetables too, green and bright: carrot, spinach, so full of might. Numbers come next. Count with me: 1, 2, 3, as easy as can be. Shapes are fun, they're everywhere: circle, square, triangle, and air. Words are magic, they help us say all the things we see each day. So let's keep learning, me and you. Vocabulary's a treasure, it's true.